Mitigating cybersecurity risks in business communications. Cybersecurity is essential for all businesses, no matter how big or small they are. It is because everyone uses the internet to communicate crucial information, making cybersecurity essential for everyone. The connection between cybersecurity and business communications is undeniably critical in the current digital landscape. With growing reliance on digital platforms, companies are at a higher risk of cyber threats that can jeopardize data and disrupt services. Some essential practices to consider. Regular software and hardware updates. Ensure all communication tools and systems are up to date with the latest security patches. Outdated systems are more vulnerable to attacks. Comprehensive staff training. Regularly train staff on cybersecurity best practices and threat recognition. Team members should understand their role in maintaining communication security. Robust authentication protocols. Implement strong authentication measures like two-factor or multi-factor authentication, especially for accessing sensitive data and systems remotely. Encrypted communication channels. Use encryption for emails, phone calls, and messaging to protect data from interception. Incident response plan. Have a clear cyber incident response plan and test it regularly with cyber tabletop exercises for responding to cybersecurity incidents quickly and with minimal damage. To effectively reduce risk and build trust, businesses must consistently apply best practices in cybersecurity. Continuous improvement in security measures is essential to tackle current and future threats. Securing email communications. Emails are essential in business communication, but are often targeted by cyber criminals. Implementing strategies to protect sensitive business information is crucial for improving email security. The security of email communications is a critical aspect of overall business cybersecurity. Essential practices for securing email communications. Implement email encryption. Encrypting emails is crucial in safeguarding sensitive information against unauthorized access or interception. Deploy anti-phishing tools. Utilize advanced anti-phishing software to detect and block malicious emails, reducing the risk of phishing attacks. Educate staff on phishing scams. Conduct cybersecurity training sessions for staff members to recognize and handle phishing attempts and other email-based threats. Strict access controls. Establish stringent access controls for email accounts, ensuring only authorized personnel can access sensitive information. Regularly update email systems. Keep email systems updated with the latest security patches and software updates to defend against new threats. Use spam filters effectively. Employ and fine-tune spam filters to reduce the influx of potentially harmful emails. Protecting mobile communications. Securing mobile communications in the era of mobile devices has become a paramount concern for businesses. The convenience of mobile devices in business operations also increases cyber threats and risks, making it essential to adopt robust security measures. Some vital practices for enhancing mobile communication security. Secure messaging apps. Encourage using secure, encrypted messaging apps for internal and external communications to protect data from interception. Regular device updates. Ensure that all mobile devices used for business purposes are regularly updated with the latest security patches and software updates. Mobile Device Management (MDM) solutions. Use MDM solutions to control and protect mobile devices, which include features such as erasing data if a device is lost or stolen remotely. Strong authentication for device access. Use strong passwords, biometrics, or multi-factor authentication for accessing mobile devices, adding an extra layer of security. Training on mobile security. Educate staff members about the risks associated with mobile communications and best practices for maintaining security, such as avoiding public Wi-Fi for business transactions and recognizing potential threats. Implementing measures to secure mobile communications is essential for overall cybersecurity. These steps help businesses reduce risks linked to mobile device use and maintain secure and efficient communication. Keep watching, like and subscribe Cybex Sword for more videos and updates on cybersecurity.